How to install TiviMate on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. Without any delay, let's get started. Now let's first go to any browser that you have on your device. Here I'm going for Google Chrome, and on the Google Chrome just go for the search bar, and on the search bar search for TiviMate, and you'll be able to see the official page for TiviMate as well. Now in order to download that application on your device, you can search for TiviMate download, and here you'll be able to see different options that would be more convenient for you to download it for your device. You can go for any of the options that is more convenient for you. Here I'm going for this one. Here all you have to do is just tap on the download APK version, or you can see the option of download APK. Just tap on that and the APK version will be downloaded, and you just have to install on this application, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.